Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw my version of a Pikachu skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we gotta draw the mask area with the eyes first. So we're just gonna draw in almost just two ovals. And then in here, I'm gonna draw in just the two highlights, and then I'm gonna shade around them real quick. So let me just do that. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw the little nose. So just gonna put a dot. So that's nice and easy. And then we're gonna come down a little bit. You can put another dot, and that's where I'm gonna put in the, I guess the mouth area. And then I'm gonna draw two curves. And then from here, we're just gonna draw in the face first. So it's gonna come down, two lines, and just kind of pinch it in. That's gonna be the chin. Okay, so we're gonna keep it nice and simple. And then we're gonna draw in for the nose. We just draw a little line like that. And then for his mouth, I'm just gonna give him a little bit of expression, so he's smiling. And then for the lower lip, it's a smaller line. And then on the upper lip, I'm just gonna shade it in a little bit. It's like two little peaks. And then from here, let's go ahead and draw in the little open area on this hoodie. Now we can finish up the top area. So it's gonna be pretty wide, so we can start out here. Just kind of go up all the way around the eyes. Okay, and then we're gonna, from here we can come back down again, and I'm gonna pinch it in. So this is kind of like cloth, so it could be a little bit wobbly. Okay, so both sides. And then we're gonna come down, just go down to the middle. And then here we're gonna draw the zipper, so we can just kind of a little wiggly shape. We can add in a little bit more lines for the cloth. Okay, and then let's see, Pikachu, he's got this two red things on the side on his cheek, so I'm gonna draw in two lines like that, curves on the side, and that's gonna be red. And then from here, let's finish up the ear. So this one's easy, so we're just gonna go out. Okay, and then on this side, you can draw it kind of pointing in different directions. It doesn't have to be exact. Okay, and then for the details, it's gonna have two lines right here. Okay, so that's pretty much the head, and we can add in, we need to add in his neck, right? So neck, and then just turn it out for his shoulders. All right, so now let's finish off the body. So from here, we're just gonna go out for his shoulders, nice and wide. And then we're gonna pinch it in to his waist. This is gonna be his waist. And then from here, we can actually draw in, let's draw in the zipper. So we know where we are. So I'm just gonna continue that line all the way down. Okay, and then we're gonna come down a little bit. So this is gonna be his waist area. It won't have a belt, but it will have some details here. So I'm gonna draw two lines like that. This is actually his stripes from the back. Okay, so that's gonna be one, and he's got one more on this side. All right, and then let's see, let's give him a couple of straps here on the shoulder, just like all the other Fortnite characters. All right, so that's pretty much the upper body, and let's move on to his arm. So shoulder, armpit, biceps, come out a little bit. That's the elbow. Curve out, lower arm. And close it. And then we're gonna draw the fist. So this one's nice and easy. So just come out. That's his thumb. Back of the hand. And then his finger's gonna be folded in. And let's add in a little bit of detail for his glove, and we can separate that as well. So it's gonna be his glove. And let's move on to the other arm, and this one is gonna be holding his his weapon. Okay, so shoulder, armpit, come out. And we can, let's see, let's stop here and just close that off. Okay, and then to draw the rest of the arm, close it, and let's give him an armband. So now for his hand here, he's gonna be holding his staff. So we're gonna come out straight, bend it down for his thumb. And this is gonna be his palm. And for the fingers, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then let's see. So we're gonna draw the staff, but I'm just gonna draw 2 lines like that first, so I can finish off the hand. And then I'll kind of continue up a little bit, and let's just close it off because we'll do that later. All right, so let's move on to the legs, and this one's should be nice and easy. So we're gonna come down in the middle, draw a little line there, and then we're gonna continue this curve. Pinch it in, close it. Then we're gonna draw a square. And then on the inside, this is gonna be just his armor on the knee pads. Okay, and then let's go on to the other side. So same thing, we can use the other side as a guide. So now we're gonna curve, come down, close it, and we're gonna draw the same thing. It's gonna be a square. Okay, inside, and then just connect to those points. All right, so now let's see its leg. So I'm gonna come out, curve in. So this is pretty much the same as all the other Fortnite armor. Okay, 2 lines. And then we're gonna draw the dome shape here for his shoes. Then we're gonna close it a little bit so, and I'm gonna add in some detail here to make it look like Pikachu. So just 2 little spikes like that. Okay, and then on the other side, so we're gonna go out, pinch in. Okay, same area, close it, dome shape, close. So, and then again, the 2 little spikes here on the shoe. And then he's got some straps here, just like the other Fortnite character. So 2 stripes, and then now we can continue this line for the armor. All right, so that's pretty much the leg, and let's finish up the staff because I think this should be kind of cool. So just continue on these 2 lines and just kind of flare it out a little bit. Just kind of give it a little sharp corner. Okay, and then some details here. We'll separate this section here. All right, so let's draw in his weapon. So it's pretty much gonna be the lightning bolt. And for here, we're gonna continue this. So just draw in. I draw like a little Tesla coil thing going on. So come out, close it. Okay, same shape. Just 2 bracket and then just close that off. And then I'll add in these lines for the coil. And then up here, I'll just draw in like a little dome shape. And then now we're just gonna draw in the lightning bolt thing. So let's see, the easiest way is probably to just start out that way first and then draw another one. So I'm gonna do a section by section. And then this one, we're gonna come out quite a bit. And we're gonna have it go out even bigger. So it gets bigger and bigger. Okay, so we're gonna come out. And then let's draw in this one. So this is the tip. And then now all we do is just connect that. And then let's see, let's give it some detail on the blade to make it look like it's sharp. And that is it for my version of Pikachu Skin in Fortnite. So hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.